Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for an Egypt e-visa online. So this is helpful because it lets you get your visa before your trip so that you don't have to deal with long lines when you arrive. So first go to the official Egypt e-visa website. So once you're on the home page, create an account using your email and set a password. After that, log into your account. Next, start a new application and then you'll be asked to fill in your personal details like your full name, date of birth, nationality, and passport information. So make sure everything matches your passport exactly. Then enter your travel details. So this includes your arrival date, where you'll be staying, and the purpose of your visit. So for most people, you'll choose tourism. After that, review all the informations that you entered, double check for any mistakes because incorrect details can cause delays or rejections. So once everything looks good, proceed to payment, pay the visa fee using a valid card. After submitting, you will receive updates through your email. And when your e-visa is approved, download and print a copy so that you can show it when you travel. And that's it, you're done. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.